Hello beautiful people, karibuni sana. So for today guys, I'm just going to deep clean my microwave, and as for now I'm just showing you how dirty it is. I've not done this in 2 weeks time, that's why my microwave is this dirty. So guys, just stick around and see how I normally do it. So what I'm going to use is my lemon and some water. Then I'll just go ahead and mix the lemon together with that water. So you can see the lemon is there. I'm just going to cut it into a half. Then I'll go ahead and squeeze the juice out of the lemon and just put some water into my container, the one that you're seeing there. Then I'll just go ahead and mix them together, and I'll put it into my microwave to warm for at least 2 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and start wiping my microwave. So guys, just stick around and see what I'm going to do. So the water is warm now. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove that plate in the microwave. Then I go ahead, wipe it using that same water because the water is just warm. I preheat it for only 2 minutes, so it's not that hot. And I just use it to wipe the plate, and also I'm going to use it to wipe the microwave, and also to wipe that stand that normally holds that plate. So stick around guys as we wipe this microwave. So with the glass part, guys, I'm just going to take my mixture of water and vinegar, sprinkle it a little bit, and then I'll wipe it. After that, I'm going to take my piece of clean towel, and then wipe the whole of the microwave because I'll be done. So guys, that is what I normally do. Now my microwave is all clean and fresh. So that's what I normally do, guys. Let's interact in the comment section and tell me how you normally wipe your microwave. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.